What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Meowdas from Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So let's start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the inside of the right eye and draw in the pupil, starting from the very top in the center, bend this out towards the left, back in towards the middle, go back up to the top, bend this out towards the right, and then back in. Let's fill the center of the pupil in black. Now let's go to the top of each eye. We draw a straight line going out across the lashes, bend this down and then in towards the bottom of the eyes. And then we'll fill those lashes in black. Let's add that scar across the top of the left eye. We're gonna start right in the middle, go up and then in. Let's taper this back down. Let's add that scar across the bottom. So we're just gonna line this up, coming down and in, and then back up. We're going to line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center. Let's start with a point. Now I want to draw in the mouth starting with the left. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Go back to the center, come down and then up towards the right. Let's move all the way out towards the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to go all the way out to right about here. Bend this down, come across underneath the mouth, and then bend that up towards the right side. Go back to the left. We're going to bend this up and then in. Now I'm going to add a smaller point. Going out and then up. Bend this in toward the side of the head. Now let's go to the center of the head, move up and add a point. Now we want to brush the hair over towards the left side. So let's start back in the center, go up and out towards the right. Go back down to the bottom. It's going to curl the hair going up and then down. Now let's brush the hair going up and then back in about halfway along this line. Go up and pull that back in. Let's add a second layer starting from the top. We're going to go up, come around and then down. Let's go back out to the side of the head. We're just going to round this out. We're going to go up and then bend that in behind the hair. Go to this point on the right, going out, and then bend that down. Now from the side of the hair, we're going to draw the inside edge of the ears. Let's draw a straight angle line, going up and then out toward the top of the ears. Let's round out the ear, come around the side, and then bend that in. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, bend the body going out and then down towards the left hip. Go to the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. From the hips, draw two straight angle lines coming down and in across the bottom of the vest. And we want to pull this up and in towards the center point. From this point, draw a straight line going up. And we'll curve the inside edge of the vest collar, going out and then up toward the left and right side. Let's add some detail inside. We're starting in the center underneath the chin with a V, coming down and up. From the top of the V, angle the collar, coming down and then out in behind the vest. From that center point of the V, draw a straight line going across. We're just going to angle the knot, coming down and in towards the bottom, and we'll flatten this off. From the top corner of the knot, angle the tie, going up and out underneath the collar, come down to the bottom, angle this down and out in behind the vest. Now on the right side of that center line, we're going to add two circles, one on the top, then one on the bottom. Let's add two straps on the side of the body. On the top left, we're going to step out, bend this around, and just pull that in toward the side of the body. Along the side, draw 2 lines going out, come straight down, and bend this down and in towards the hips. Now we're going to draw the handles of the gun. Let's start from this top point, bend this up and then out, flatten that off, then bend this in and then down towards the side of the straps. Let's go to the center of the body, come all the way down. We're going to add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the heel, bend the foot, coming down and up towards the outside. Now I'm going to go back to the left. We want to round out the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go all the way back up to the hip and draw on the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left side. We're going to bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. You want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's go to the top of the left leg. We're going to add a strap. Curve this down and up, step down, and draw that again. Now we're going to add a pouch on the outside of that strap. Go out, down, and then back in. Let's go to the right hip. We're going to add a half circle, going around and then in. Now on the side of the body, we're going to add the inside edge of the arm. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip. So right here, then the arm going out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side wrapped around in a fist. So we're going to start underneath the thumb, going down and up around that bracket. Now let's go out to the side, add the second finger, going out and then in. Add the third finger, I'm going to blend this into the arm, going up, and just bend that in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the top of the arm on the inside. We're going to add the edge of the sleeve, bend this up and then out. Let's add a wave of gold across the forearm. We're going to start from the outside, pull this all the way in. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right. And we want to finish off by adding a couple pockets on the side of the vest. So we're going to come straight in, line it up on the right. I'm just going to trace this out along the bottom. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Meowdas from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.